Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again after the Shera break to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our last session, as you know that we have completed unit number 8, that was the world around us. So in today's session, I'm going to start with the another topic from the next unit, that is unit number 9. Okay, that is mixed bags. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to start from unit number 9 is quiz yourself 1, which is given at page number 29. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 29, that is quiz yourself 1. Okay, so I'm starting with the topic that is quiz yourself 1. So first of all, I'll just want to explain that what is the meaning of the topic quiz yourself. Quiz yourself का मतलब क्या है? Actually quiz yourself, quiz means the देखिए आपने you must have participated in the various quiz competition, और या आपने देखे होंगे quiz competitions. Okay, so in the quiz competition the several questions are being asked, but all the questions they are related to the different topics. ओके ये ऐसा नहीं है कोई पर्टिकुलर किसी एक टॉपिक से सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. Similarly, in this chapter, in this topic, quiz yourself, you'll get the various questions that is related to the various topics. Okay, so the first question from the quiz yourself one is, which political party does Arvind Kejriwal represent? So Arvind Kejriwal कौन सी political party को represent करते हैं? Okay, so Arvind Kejriwal, you know, he is the CM, the Chief Minister of Delhi. Okay, he is the Chief Minister of Delhi and he represents Aam Aadmi Party, that is known as AAP. Okay, so Arvind Kejriwal represents the party that is AAP. इसको आप बोलते हैं, but the complete name is Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, so he is the leader or the head of Aam Aadmi Party, or you can say, okay, and uske head the, and later on after the Aam Aadmi Party has won votes, had gone vote from the public votes in the elections, and after that Arvind Kejriwal has been elected as the Chief Minister of of Delhi. Okay, so he is the new Chief Minister of Delhi and he is Arvind Kejriwal and he represents AAP. AAP means Aam Aadmi Party. Done? Chale. So here the spellings of Aam Aadmi Party is given. Aam, double A-M, Aam, Aadmi, A-D-M-I, Aadmi, Party, P-A-R-T-Y. Okay, now second one. In which city is the Louvre Museum located? So, Louvre Museum किस city में located है? So, Louvre Museum is located in Paris. Louvre Museum is located in Paris. Okay, so this is one of the Louvre Museum that is in Paris. This is this is another landmark in the Paris. Okay, so there are two landmarks in the Paris. The first one is the Eiffel Tower. The second is the Louvre Museum. Okay, and this is one of the very famous museum in the world, and it is located in Paris. Paris. So Paris is also the capital of France. Okay, and there only this Louvre Museum is located. Moving next to the question number 3. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Andhra Pradesh की capital क्या है? What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? So the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Okay, so Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. So what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? That is Amravati. Okay. So spellings of Amravati is Amravati. That is Amravati. Moving next to the fourth one. Who became the Vice President of India in the year 2007 and was re-elected in 2012? Okay. So who became the Vice President of India in the year 2007? So 2007 में इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट कौन बने थे एंड अगेन ही वॉज री इलेक्टेड एज द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. Okay, so 2007 में he was the vice president of India and again in 2007 he again became the vice president of India. So you can say he became the vice president of India. Okay, back to back he became the vice president of India. Who is he? He is Muhammad Hamid Ansari. So who is he? He is Muhammad Hamid Ansari. So Muhammad Hamid Ansari became the Vice President of India for the 2 times. Okay. So spellings you can see on the screen. Muhammad 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 Hamid 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 Ansari Ansari Ansari. Moving next to the fifth one. Which brand of Ayurved consumer goods is Baba Ramdev associated with? So Baba Ramdev किस consumer good items के brand से associated है? So Baba Ramdev is associated with Patanjali. Okay, so Patanjali is an Indian product. So Baba Ramdev, the Yoga Guru, he is associated with the consumer good that is Patanjali. So the spellings of Patanjali that is given that I have written over here is Patanjali. That is Patanjali. Okay, so the question number 5 was which brand of Ayurved consumer goods is Baba Ramdev associated with? So Baba Ramdev is associated with Patanjali. Okay, moving next to the sixth one. So the question number 6 is which season of the year appears first in a standard English dictionary? So if we take a look, okay, so there are 4 seasons that we all are aware of. The first is starting from the January. So first of all we are having the winters, then spring, then summer, then autumn. Okay, again then winter. So these are the 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay, but if we talk about the names of these 4, like summer, winter, autumn, spring. Okay, so question is which season of the year appears first in the standard English dictionary? So according to the standard English dictionary, so कौन सा ऐसा season है जो सबसे पहले आएगा if you look into a standard English dictionary? So as you can think that as summer starts from S. Summer के spelling S से start होते हैं. Winter, that stops, the spellings of winter starts from W. Okay, spellings of spring that starts from S again, and whereas the spellings of autumn it starts from A. So then dictionary is always in alphabetical order. The dictionaries होती है वो हमेशा alphabetical order में होती हैं. So which season will appear first according to the standard English dictionary? So that is autumn. So the spellings of the autumn is AUTUMN. That is autumn. Okay, moving next to the 7th one. When should John get up if he has to be at work by 9 a.m. and it takes him 15 minutes to get dressed, 20 minutes to have his breakfast and 35 minutes to drive to work? So now we are talking about John. Okay, so he has to reach his work by 9 a.m. उसे 9 बजे अपने काम पे पहुंचना है. And now we have to calculate that at what time he should get up so that he can reach at his workplace by 9 a.m. So they have given the time that is being taken by him for performing the various activities before coming to the office. The first is it takes him 15 minutes to get dressed. Okay, so उसको तैयार होने में 50 minutes लगते हैं, 15 minutes लगते हैं. After this 20 minutes to have his breakfast. So if you want to have the breakfast, so when he takes his breakfast, so it takes him 20 minutes to have his breakfast, and 35 minutes to drive to work, and it takes him 35 minutes, okay, when he drive to his workplace. So what is the total time? So add 15 minutes plus 20 minutes plus 35 minutes, so that is total 70 minutes. So that is total 70 minutes. So that means he should get up 70 minutes before, he should get up 70 minutes before the 9 a.m. So 70 minutes before 9 a.m. is 7:50 a.m. So he should get up by 7:50 a.m. so that he can reach on time at his workplace, that is at 9 a.m. Okay, moving next to the eighth one. The Mount Blanc in Europe belongs to which mountain range? So the Mount Blanc in Europe belongs to the Alps. It belongs to the Alps. So the Alps is the name of the mountain ranges that is in Europe. Okay, so the Mount Blanc in Europe belongs to which mountain range? So it belongs to the Alps. So this is the name of the one of the famous mountain ranges in the Europe, that is the Alps. Done. So the spellings of the Alps is ALPS, Alps. Moving next to the question number 9 from the quick quiz. Which IPL team is owned by Shah Rukh Khan? So Shah Rukh Khan owned which IPL team? So which IPL team is owned by Shah Rukh Khan? That is KKR. So the full name of KKR is Kolkata Knight Riders. So which IPL team is owned by Shah Rukh Khan? That is KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders. Okay, so spellings of Kolkata Knight Riders is given here. KOLKATA, that is Kolkata Knight, KNIGHT, Knight Riders. Okay, RIDERS, that is Riders. So Shah Rukh Khan owned this IPL team, that is Kolkata Knight Riders. Okay, now we will move to some more questions. Question number 10. Which of these countries uses the ringgit as a currency? Afghanistan, Malaysia, or South Africa? Okay, so Afghanistan, Malaysia, or South Africa, which of these country has currency that is known as ringgit? So Afghanistan, Malaysia और साउथ अफ्रीका में से कौन सी ऐसी कंट्री है जिनकी जो करेंसी है दैट इज रिंगिट? सो रिंगिट इज द करेंसी ऑफ मलेशिया. ओके, सो रिंगिट इज द करेंसी ऑफ मलेशिया. सो मलेशिया की करेंसी का नाम क्या है? दैट इज रिंगिट. So if the question is what is the currency of Malaysia, you will write down ringgit. So questions can be asked in reverse as well during the exam, so be prepared with it. Okay, so moving next to the question number 11. What is the capital of Turkey? What is the capital of Turkey? So Turkey की capital क्या है? So the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Okay, so the capital of Turkey is Ankara. The spellings of Ankara is ANKARA, that is Ankara. Actually, most of the students, they write down the capital of Turkey is Istanbul. No, Istanbul is also one of the famous cities of Turkey, but the capital of Turkey is Ankara. The spellings of Ankara is ANKARA. चलिए, moving next to the question number 12. The question number 12 is, What is the full form of ISRO? What is the full form of ISRO? So before explaining you the full form of ISRO, or okay, first of all I'll tell you the full form only. So the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. So this is the one of the space agencies of India. ओके ये हमारे इंडिया की एक स्पेस एजेंसी का नाम है, जैसे कि नासा इज द नेम ऑफ स्पेस एजेंसी ऑफ अमेरिका. ओके दैट इज नेशनल एरोनॉटिक्स एंड स्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. Similarly, ISRO is the name of the space agency of India. Okay, so ISRO is the first space agency. So in जो हमारा जो first the mission, that is MOM mission, that is Mars orbiter mission, that was successful only due to the engineers, the scientists of the ISRO only, that we became the first country who entered the orbit of the Mars in its first attempt and at a very lower cost. Okay, so what is the full form of ISRO? So the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. So spellings of Indian Space Research Organization is also here. INDIAN, Indian Space, SPACE, Space Research, RESEARCH, Research Organization, ORGANISATION, Organization. So the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Moving next to the question number 13. Where do you find the largest muscle in your body? So the largest muscle in our body is buttocks. Okay, so that is the hip portion of our body. Okay, so the buttocks is the largest muscle in our body. So किसी भी ह्यूमन बॉडी में सबसे बड़ी मसल होती है, that is buttocks. So the hip portion of our body, that is buttocks. So the spellings of buttocks is BUTTOCKS, that is buttocks. Next, question number 14. What is the longest key on a computer keyboard? एक कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड के ऊपर सबसे लंबी की कौन सी होती है? सो विच इज़ दी और व्हाट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन अ कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड? So the longest key on a computer keyboard is the spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on a computer keyboard. The spellings of the spacebar key is SPACE, space bar, BAR bar, spacebar. Okay. So spacebar key is the longest key on a computer keyboard. Moving next to the 15th one. Which popular cartoon character who is also a reporter has a pet dog named Snowy? Okay, so this now we are talking about one of the very popular cartoon character. So who is a reporter and he also has a very beautiful white dog who is named as Snowy. So what is the name of that dog? So he is Tintin. He is Tintin. So Tintin is the name of the popular cartoon character. So he is also a reporter and he has a pet dog whose name is Snowy. So you must have seen this cartoon. Okay, that is Tintin. So these are the answers from the chapter, from the topic, that is Quiz Yourself 1. Okay. So the first is Aam Aadmi Party, second is Paris, third is Amravati, fourth is Muhammad Hamid Ansari, fifth is Patanjali, sixth is Autumn, seventh is 7:50 AM, eighth is the Alps, ninth is Kolkata Knight Riders, 10th is Malaysia, 11th is Ankara, 12th is Indian Space Research Organization. 13th is buttocks. 14th is space bar. The last is 15th is Tintin. Okay. So this is from my today's session class. So with this I am just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.